אשר ממול הגליל.
No, hold on, we have to explain what we're doing.
Okay.
Behind us, up there, on that cliff, see there's caves? On that cliff is the story of when Jesus healed the demoniac and the demons asked for themselves to be thrown into the pigs. They fell off the thing, drowned in the sea. So we're going to read that. We're going to read here. Hebrew first, then English.
ויבואו ארץ הגרגשים אשר ממול הגליל.
Then they sailed to the country of Gerasenes, which is opposite of Galilee.
ויצא ליבשה ויפגשהו איש מן העיר.
And when he came out into the land, he was met by a man from the city who was possessed by demons and who had not put on any clothing for a long time and was not living in a house, but in tombs.
וכיראתו את ישוע ויפול לפניו ויקרא בקול גדול מה לי ולך ישוע בן אלי עליון אינני מתחנן אל נא תענני.
Seeing Jesus, he cried out and fell before him and said in a loud voice, "What business do you have with each other? Jesus, Son of the Most High God, I beg you, do not torment me."
כי הוא ציווה את רוח הטומאה לצאת מן האיש הזה אשר פעמיים רבות תפס בו והוא אסור בזיקים ושמור בכבלי ברזל וינתק את מוסרותיו ובכוח הרוח הרע נידח המדברה.
For he had commanded the unclean spirit to come out of the man, for it had seized him many times, and he was bound with chains and shackles and kept under guard, and yet he would break his bonds and be driven by the demon into the desert.
וישאל אותו ישוע לאמור מה שמך ויאמר מחניים כי שדים רבים שכנו בקרבו.
And Jesus asked him, "What is your name?" And he said, "Legion," for many demons had entered him.
ויפצירו בו לבלתי צבם לרדת אל התחום.
They were imploring him not to command them to go away into the abyss.
ועדר חזירים רבים היה רואה שם בהר, והתחננו לו לצאתם לבוא אל תוכם, וינגח להם.
Now there was a herd of many swine feeding there on the mountain, and the demons implored him to permit them to enter the swine.
ויצאו השדים מן האיש, ויבואו אל תוך החזירים, וישטוף העדר במורד, וישבעו בתוך הים.
And he gave them permission. Okay, I'll keep going. And the demons came out of the man, entered the swine, and the herd rushed down the steep bank into the lake and was drowned right over there.
This is it.
The only lake in Israel.
The one and only.
The one, well, two really. The Sea of
The
Galilee,
only freshwater
lake. Yep.
So this is where it happened.
Right
This is
there.
a cemetery. This is a story. That's where the could be, by the way, that the sea was a little higher and the water level was all the way up to here.
Right. Yeah. So you can see right there, there's caves, tombs. This is where this demon-possessed man was living, naked, totally naked.
Yeah, and over there, there's a church, a small chapel from the Byzantine period, which
Oh,
commemorates
you can
that
see
event, and
that,
further down
yeah.
below, a larger church.
Awesome. That's it for now.